We're going to go over how to both find and put pictures into your presentation. So I'm going to delete some of these items. I'm going to click on the edge of the box here and hit the delete button. Click on the edge of the box, hit the delete button. And I'm going to go ahead and change this to Tech in My Life Basketball. Now, over in this area, I'm going to put a picture. So I'm going to open up a new tab, and I'm just going to simply type basketball pic. Photos or basketball pictures is fine. And it's going to come up with a lot of different pictures. So we'll do something really simple. This one's pretty cool. If I want to see all of the images, I hit View All. And I'm just going to go ahead and grab this one right here. So I'm going to right-click on this image, and I'm going to copy image with a left click. Now you'll notice when I mouse over, it shows the resolution of this photo is 2000 by 1200 pixels. And that's pretty big. That's good. So you want the bigger the number, the clearer, more high resolution the picture is going to be. So again, I right-click, go to copy image, left-click. Now go back to my Google Slides, and I've got two options. I can either right-click and paste, or I can go up to Edit and Paste. Either one will work. So I'm going to go with right-click and paste. I can also hit Control-V for a keyboard shortcut. And now it's going to paste it in there. Now what I can do is resize and move this image. I can make it really big. Of course, that's going to cover everything up, which isn't good. Or I can make it smaller. I can stretch it out a little bit, squish it a little bit. Got all kinds of options here. Okay. Now one thing you can do, let's say we wanted to make it really big. So I'm going to stretch this out from the corner. I'm going to put it here in the center of my slide. And let's say I wanted it to be behind my text here. So if I right-click and I go to Order, you'll see there's some options. I'm going to send it to the back, so left-click. Now it's behind my text, but I can't see my text very good. So what I would have to do, let's say I was going to stretch this out a little bit. I would have to make this a white text. So I'll highlight it, make it white, and then I can bring this up here, and now it looks pretty cool. I'll do the same thing here. Make this a yellow, make it bigger. Now that's a pretty cool slide.